Hi, I am Shomi and welcome back to my channel. Plum, India's first 100% vegan beauty brand, has been my absolute favorite. I have been using their so many products and I am quite satisfied with them. They have expanded their product range, offering the best in hair care, body care, skin care, makeup, including their latest addition, Baby Plum. Now the exciting news is Plum has reached the milestone of 9 years, providing years of goodness.
Get ready to celebrate because Plum is on cloud 9 with a massive sale happening right now. Head over to Plum's 9th birthday bash on plumgoodness.com to shop all your essential beauty products with discounts of up to 50%. Trust me, this is one birthday party you don't want to miss. I'm thrilled to share with you the exclusive pear hamper I received and I will show all the amazing products. I'm going to discuss their textures, ingredients, benefits and definitely my review. Also, I'll apply and swatch the products for you. These are my products: Plum Matte in Heaven Liquid Lipstick, Niacinamide 5% Face Serum and Plum Body Loving Body Oil Vanilla Vibes. I'm going to just love this 5% niacinamide serum. I had acne marks, dark spots, uneven skin tone. I have used their 10% niacinamide serum with rice water and it cleared off my skin to a great extent. Now I am planning to start with this 5% niacinamide serum to maintain my skin clarity. So this is a beginner friendly serum. You may definitely start with this 5% niacinamide serum. You will find a leaflet inside. You will get all the information about its ingredients there. Main ingredients are niacinamide, amino acids and rice extract. See the packaging. See this glass bottle of this serum. It's really attractive. It's so beautiful. Niacinamide is basically a water-soluble derivative of vitamin B3 that is known to fight blemishes, reduce pore size, improve skin texture and tone, and also regulates sebum production. This serum has 8 different amino acids and amino acids are the reason why your skin looks youthful and hydrated. And rice water in it is power packed with skin brightening, dark spot fading, anti-aging and hydrating properties that soothe your skin and make it visibly plumper and nourished. Plum Matte in Heaven Liquid Lipstick is a very good quality liquid lipstick. It's very lightweight. I got the shade number 123, which is peachy brown nude shade. Applicator is good, can pick in a product at a time. This lipstick is very lightweight and highly pigmented and it's non-sticky also. Let me quickly apply on my lips. Now it's dried and settled down. See, it's become completely matte finish. It's non-sticky and smudge proof. This liquid lipstick doesn't even transfer while you are drinking or eating. See, it's completely transfer proof.
Gentle reminder, just take out a moment and subscribe my channel. Click on the bell icon to get all notifications for upcoming videos. You can follow me on Instagram also. My Instagram handle is here.
My last favorite one is Plum Body Loving Vanilla Vibes Body Oil. Packaging is very non-messy. Just remove the inner cap. And use from flip cap. The texture of this body oil is very lightweight and non-greasy. This is enriched with 9 nourishing oils, making it an ultra moisturizer that revitalizes and conditions your skin deeply. You feel like you are smelling a yummy vanilla cupcake. After a few minutes, it's like I have not applied anything. It's absorbed so well.
And here is a special tip just for you. Use my coupon code to get extra 10% discount. Sale is live, don't wait, just go and grab this opportunity and grab all your favorite products. Hope you like this video and this video was helpful. See you in my next video. Take care.